How much water?
8 glasses a day.
Is that healthy?
Yes, very healthy.
Do you collaborate with others?
Yes, on projects.
Do you enjoy teamwork?
Yes, I do.
What time do you finish?
At 5 p.m.,
What do you do after work?
go home.
Do you go straight home?
Not always.
Where else do you go?
To the gym.
How often?
3 times a week.
What do you do there?
Cardio and weights.
How long do you exercise?
1 hour.
Do you enjoy it?
Yes, very much.
Does it help you relax?
Yes, it does.
What time do you get home?
Around 6:30 p.m.
Are you tired?
Yes, very tired.
What's the first thing you do?
Take off my shoes.
What's the first thing you do?
Take off my shoes.
Do you change clothes?
Yes, into comfortable clothes.
Do you rest?
Yes, for a bit.
How long?
15 minutes.
Do you check your phone?
Yes, messages and emails.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, the news.
What else?
Some TV shows.
Do you have pets?
Yes, a cat.
Does your cat greet you?
Yes, always.
Do you play with your cat?
Yes, every evening.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, most nights.
What time do you start?
At 7 p.m.
What do you cook?
Simple meals.
Like what?
Pasta or chicken.
How long does it take?
30 minutes.
Do you use recipes?
Sometimes, yes.
Are you a good cook?
Pretty good.
What's your favorite dish?
Spaghetti. Carbonara.
Do you cook vegetables?
Yes, always.
What vegetables?
Broccoli and carrots.
Do you eat meat?
Yes, chicken mostly.
Do you eat fish?
Once a week.
Do you use spices?
Yes, lots of spices.
What's your favorite spice?
Garlic.
Do you taste while cooking?
Yes, to check flavor.
Do you listen to music while cooking?
Yes, always.
What kind of music?
Pop music.
Does cooking relax you?
Yes, it does.
Do you clean as you cook?
Yes, I try to do.
What time is dinner ready?
Around 7:30 p.m.
Do you eat at the table?
Yes, always.
Do you eat alone?
No, with my husband.
Do you watch TV during dinner?
No, we don't.
What do you talk about?
Our day.
How long is dinner?
About 30 minutes.
Do you have dessert?
Sometimes, yes.
What dessert?
Ice cream or fruit.
Who does the dishes?
We take turns.
Do you wash by hand?
No, we have a dishwasher.
Do you clean the kitchen?
Yes, every night.
What do you do after dinner?
Watch TV.
What shows?
Comedies and dramas.
For how long?
1 or 2 hours.
Do you use your phone?
Yes, sometimes.
What do you do on it?
Check social media.
Do you read?
Yes, before bed.
Do you take a shower at night?
No, in the morning.
Do you prepare for tomorrow?
Yes, I choose clothes.
What else?
Pack my bag.
What time do you go to bed?
11 p.m.
Is that late?
A bit late.
What do you do before bed?
Brush my teeth.
Do you wash your face?
Yes, always.
Do you use skincare products?
Yes, moisturizer.
Do you set an alarm?
Yes, for 6:30 a.m.
Do you read in bed?
Yes, for 20 minutes.
Does that help you sleep?
Yes, it relaxes me.
Do you watch TV in bed?
No, never.
Why not?
It keeps me awake.